Hello you all, this is Yash. Shah. I recently got a job as a data analyst trainee at a good MNC. I just wanted to give a glimpse of my journey of getting into data science and analytics. I completed my graduation as a robotics and automation engineer in 2022. I then decided to get into the field of data science and analytics, and thus I got enrolled myself for data science with Python course at GAMAKA AI. The job finding journey for me was very difficult as I was from non-IT background. A few tips which I would like to suggest for all the freshers who are trying to get into the field of data science and analytics is that build a good resume, as it is the first thing which the recruiters will notice. Be thorough with all the things which you have mentioned on your resume. Don't lie on your resume. Create a portfolio where you can showcase all the projects which you have mentioned on your resume. It will give you a edge over others. Also, keep on applying to as many jobs as you can, as the competition is very high for data science and analytics. Also, don't rush into learning all the tools at a time. Learn one tool at a time and be very fundamentally strong with all the tools. Be confident while prepare the interview questions thoroughly. At last, I would like to suggest you to keep on applying and to keep on being patient and keep on upskilling yourself until and unless you get a job you want.